How to edit your school settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your school settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then just click edit, and here you will find more information, and here you will find education. Let's add that first, and then just click save and click on it. Here you will find edit. Here you can edit it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.